Now, I think that when you are communicating with anybody online, particularly when you're networking, you have to go into it with a mindset of generosity. You have to go into it thinking, how can I help these people? Not just, how can they help me? Or what can I get out of them? Think about how you might be able to support this person, give them help, introduce them to the people that they want to introduce, and think about how you can be generous, possibly physically. Now, one of the things that's worked for me, for example, is if I'm chatting to somebody at an event, they might mention that they are struggling with a particular issue. If I know of a book that can help them, I'll go onto Amazon, I'll buy it and I'll send it to them. Or I'll send them a link afterwards to a blog or a podcast or another resource that I think could be of use. And I have to say that's worked very nicely for me. But if you're going to go into these sorts of conversations with a generosity or giving mindset, don't necessarily expect reciprocity. It's not, if I give you this piece of information or I give you this introduction, you will give me that. No, it might not happen. It might not happen immediately. But if you go in expecting tit for tat, shall we say, I give you, therefore you give me, actually that's not generosity, that's not reciprocity, that's a transaction. So go into it with a mindset that says, right, I'm going to help as many people as I can at this online event, and that will earn you a lot of brownie points. And you'd be amazed, a lot of people will set out to reciprocate, so you will get what you want.